special edition cars have a backstory like the 2019 Ford Mustang Bullitt. And it all started with Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, not as a potential lead in a Bullitt reboot, but in a Ford commercial back in early 2017. In the background, a sketch, the future 2019 Bullitt. Fast forward to the 2018 Detroit Auto Show, where the 2019 Mustang Bullitt actually debuted. And yet, the new car, looking phenomenal in Highland Green, packing at least 475 horsepower, 420 pound-feet of torque, and a manual transmission, was overshadowed by a dingy '68 Fastback, bringing one of the most enduring movie car mysteries to a dramatic conclusion.